spending. We had two wars that weren't paid for, and this was the first time in history where we had gone to war and not asked for additional sacrifice from American citizens. We had a huge prescription drug plan that wasn't paid for. And so by the time I started office, we already had about $1 trillion annual deficit, and we had massive accumulated debt with interest payments to boot. Then you have this huge recession. And so what happens is less revenues coming in because company sales are lower, individuals are making less money. At the same time, there's more need out there. So we're having to help states and we're having to help local governments. And that's a lot of what the recovery was about, was us making sure that the economy didn't tilt over into a depression by making sure that teachers weren't laid off and firefighters weren't laid off and there was still construction for roads and so forth. All of which was expensive. I mean, that added about another $1 trillion worth of debt. So